Hi, I'm here to show you on how to replace the battery, the rechargeable battery of the iPen Pro 2. First, locate the dot and remove the cap. That has a rubber grommet. You have to remove it with a sharp object. And in my case, I use a box cutter. And then I use my Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw. And on the other side of the pen, using a round flat spatula, I take out the cap cover before releasing unscrewing, remove the screw. And after that, carefully spread the chassis. You can use the screwdriver to loosen the locks. Just be careful not to force it, otherwise you're going to break those plastic locks that holds the two chassis. On the left side is the circuit board, and then one that I'm pointing to is the battery itself. The battery is attached to the plastic with the double-sided adhesive, so you just have to pry it open and remove the connector. Just be careful not to force it hard, because it's kind of tight. So just wiggle it a bit before removing it. So that's it. The batteries can be bought from Jarcom Technology.